Okay, I thought you may like to see my space, my working space, and this is my bookshelf, and it's full of this is all my artwork for watercolor, because I love watercolors. I have some palette, some brushes, pens, and here I have some inks because I'm in love with fountain pens. And here is a funny, very funny thing. It's a portable palette with a bowl for water, and it's a hedgehog. Here I keep all my laces and fabric, more fabric here, laces, trims, and here I have more trims and papers. So this is my bookshelf with some paper, and here I have my working space. I have my sewing machine that is on a movable cart, and it's very handy. And here is my working space. It's not big, but it's not too little, where I keep all my handy stuff, the things that I use more, my papers. Then I have another little table where I have my computer and Micia. Ciao, Micia. Hey. Say hello, Micia. Okay, she's saying hello to you. And this is the window. I don't have a lot of light from this window, but I have a beautiful view. Well, now it's winter, so there's nothing fancy to see, but this is what I can see from my window. Okay, so now I'm going back to work, and this is the whole space. This is the whole space, and this is my bedroom, actually, the door of my bedroom. And okay, let's go back to work.